Karen, and today I thought I'd bring you a Dreamer Designs unboxing. Okay, so as you see, I've already got it up and out and ready. I did try and do a recording of this earlier, but it kind of went a bit haywire, which is why I've still got it laid out flat. There's no point in me packing it away just to unpack it again. But I will show you the box she came in. So this is a Dreamer Designs box. Okay, they've got the purple box. Purple is kind of their colour. Okay, and it comes with a neat handle on it as well for carting around, I suppose. And the kit I have to show you today is Rainbow Rebel by Artifey. Now she is a square and she's 60 by 80 centimeters, so she's a decent size. Okay, she just looks really cool. She's really colourful. Okay, so she does come with a toolkit. Okay, it's a nice sort of velvety drawstring bag toolkit. Okay, so in here you'll find a tray divider, which is like a little plastic, like a long plastic that you put in the middle of the tray. You'll have 2 plates of wax, you'll have a couple of diamond painting pens, you've got a pair of sharp tweezers as well in there. Okay, but that bag is really nice and soft and fluffy. Okay, well, nice and soft, it's a velvety thing. Okay, the canvas itself came in this really nice bag. Okay, and you can see that it's a Dreamer Designs branded bag as well. It's a nice sort of sturdy material drawstring bag. Okay, and it did come tied up with this ribbon as well, which is quite neat. Okay, so there. Then you've got a little instructions pamphlet here as well. Okay, so it shows you thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks. And you've got a 15% off your next purchase as a thank you, and then any instructions on how to diamond paint if you're unfamiliar with diamond painting at all. Okay, and then we have your legend. Okay, so you've got all your colours there, and it shows, if my camera will focus, that you have 77 colours overall, and you can see that she's nice and bright in colours. Okay, so that is a slightly bigger image of your Rainbow Rebel. Just love her hair. Could never pull that hair off in my life. It's absolutely amazing. And she's got that big tattoo sleeve as well. Okay, put these to one side. There we go. Now the canvas itself, as you can see, it's like a very soft sort of back to it. Okay, you can see there as well. Move them off a minute. It's got ribbon on it, and it's, you can see, poked as well. It's just to prevent the canvas from fraying. Okay, that's the drawers that are going all over the place. It's a really nice soft canvas. Okay, and it's poured glue as well, so you can roll it up, put it away if you need to, and it won't harm it in any way. And here are your colours. Okay, you can see all those nice bright colours. She does have a bit of dark in her. That's mainly around, as we saw, it was around the background. Okay, so I'm not going to go into too much of it, but You can see there, that purple and the orange that you see, those are what we call ABs. So your Aurora Borealis, okay? I think, judging by the look of it, that yellow is as well. Okay, so they've got that shiny coating on it. That make them stand out. It'll make it pop. Okay? So I'm not going to get into those drills too much because we'll be here forever watching me trying to get them back in and you'll get very bored with that. Okay, I'm just going to show you what you came here to see, and that is Rainbow Rebel. Okay. And there she is, you can see her, yep, you can see her just fine. Look at how amazing she is. Okay, she's got that nice bright wavy hair and that tattoo sleeve as well. Now as you can see up at the top there, you've got the canvas detail, so you've got Rainbow Rebel by Artifey and the size, which is 60 by 80. You've also got your social media, that's what I was looking for. Social media up on the top right. You've got your lifetime warranty down here on your bottom left. Okay, so if you have a problem with your canvas or your drills, you can just let them know. Okay. Excuse me. You've got a legend as well on your bottom left, top right. Okay. But this is Artifey's Rainbow Rebel. Okay, as I said before, I would never be able to get it. I would love to be able to have hair like hers, but unfortunately I'd never be able to get away with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and see whether we can find those drills, those special drills, okay? So that will be your 3 ABs. So you've got a yellow, a purple and an orange. Oh, excuse me. And you've got the yellow here, which is a tick. Okay, it's here as well. You've got your, what was the orange? The orange was like a double arrowhead. So you've got a little bit here. A little bit sort of here along with the tick as well. So you've got the tick and the arrowhead here. You've also got a lot of the arrowhead here in her tattoo, and then there's a little bit here as well. You've got like a nail, okay, which is your purple one, which is a little bit here, and a little bit in a tattoo here. And we've got little bits in the little bits of purple that you see on her hair as well. So here as well. And then the DD drills I've just learned are like your fairy dust drills. Okay, so I believe that's a relatively new thing with Dreamer Designs. I don't remember them being on the last kit that I had from Dreamer Designs, which was another Artifey kit. Okay, so I think they've not long had them in. But that is like your mica powder drills. Okay, so it's got mica powder on them. They're a bit more subtle. Okay, and that is an orange and a green. And your green is down here, which is like a hashed. Some people will call it a hashtag, some people will call it a pound sign. Okay, you've got your orange, which is your T here. A little bit of your T here, and your hashtag pound sign here, whichever you want to call it. Okay. So it looks like it's mainly in her hair. Okay, and she's got a little bit on that tattoo sleeve on that left arm as well. Okay. This is Artifey's Rainbow Rebel. Okay. I absolutely love that hair as well. Again, I said I'd never be able to get away with that myself, but you can always try, right? Right, I am going to leave you guys here. I'd like to thank you for coming to watch this if you've managed to get this far. I'm sorry it is slightly shorter than normal. But I did try and unbox this earlier on, and it just went all mad. So I had to redo it, which is why it's actually out of the box already. I don't normally unbox them straight out of the box like that, but I do hope you enjoyed this, and love it if you could share and leave a thumbs up for us if you enjoyed it. And I will leave you there. So I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, afternoon, night, wherever you are. And I will see you soon. Bye guys.